You are watching how Leap. Let's hide WhatsApp channel suggestions. Open the WhatsApp application. Go to the Updates tab at the bottom. Here you will see the Channels section with suggestions. To hide a specific channel suggestion, press and hold on the channel's name. A menu will appear. Tap Remove Channel. You will get an option to either remove from list or report channel. Tap Remove from List. This hides that specific suggestion. To potentially reduce all suggestions, you can try disabling contact-based features. Go to WhatsApp Settings, then Privacy, review settings for contacts and default message timer. However, channel suggestions are primarily based on your country and popularity, and there is no universal on or off switch within WhatsApp to disable all suggestions at this time. Consistently removing unwanted channels trains the algorithm. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.